What's up, Peak Timers? It's Wednesday, so it's time for another edition at seeing what everything new in Hot Wheels is. Let's start it off with the announcement of Hot Wheels C-Case cars. Let's take a look at some of the cars that are featured in the case. Robo Race Robocar, Twin Mill Gen E, Bat Plane, Roller Toaster, HW450F, Skull Shaker, Head Starter, The Embosser, Power Rocket, Sword Warthog, Heavy Hitcher, Cruise Bruiser, Chrysler Pacifica, Dune It Up, Poison Arrow, Rocking Santa Sled, Slide Kick, Total Disposal, The Hollinator, and the Treasure Hunt for C-Case Grass Chomper. And these are some upcoming Hot Wheels which will be released in 2020. Hyper Rocker, Chrysler Pacifica, 2 Jet Z, 76 Greenwood Corvette, Chill Mill, 2017 Nissan GTR R35, Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo, 2018 Copo Camaro SS, Jaguar XJ220, Custom 71 El Camino, Heavy Hitcher, 52 Hudson Hornet, 64 Chevy Nova Wagon, Cool One, Twin Mill Gen E, Hot Wheels Formula Solar, Nerve Hammer, Diaper Dragger, Power Rocket, McLaren P1, 89 Porsche 944 Turbo, 68 Chevy Nova, and Diora 3. And this is also a Dodge Charger Daytona Tuned Edition Treasure Hunt, which will be upcoming in a future case. A few more bonus cars. We've got the GMC Cyclone. We've got a Zamac edition of the Land Rover pickup, and a Mazda RX-7. You are now up to date in the world of Hot Wheels. Make sure you smash that thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.